want to tell roughly how big an alligator is, you take the head of the alligator and you measure the gap in between the eyes and the nose. You measure that gap in inches and then convert that to feet. So if that gap is like 4 inches, we'd say it's 4 feet, 5 inches, 5 feet, and so forth. You see those ridges on his back, those bumps on his back, that's a big boy. Those are not scales, those are called scutes. They are as hard as bone. Scoot, scoot. They act as an armor protecting the gator from